Today's topic is factorization. So here see, this is basically the formula of a square minus b square. See, if we write it in this manner, 1 square because it is equal to 1 minus b minus c whole square. So this is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b, where a is 1 and b is plus b minus c. This we will write within brackets into a minus b, where 1 minus within bracket b minus c. We're going to simply solve it. 1 plus b plus into minus c. Similarly here 1 minus b minus into minus is plus c. That's it. Moving on to the next question. See over here, within a third bracket, write down 3 because the square root of 9 is 3, and within bracket whatever is given, that is x plus y, and the whole thing square minus x square. Again here this is a and this is b, so it's again an a square minus b square formula. So we're going to write a plus b into a minus b, where a is 3x plus y, so a plus b, b over here is x, the whole thing within a bracket into a minus b. A over here is 3x plus y minus b. We are going to solve this. If we solve this, we will get 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into y is 3y. This 3x and 3 into y, 3y, plus x. Again next, 3 into x is 3x, 3 into y is 3y, minus x. Now we are going to solve this. 3x plus x, it is 4x plus 3y. Again here 3x minus x is 2x plus 3y. Moving on to the next question. Okay, so here we have got a square minus a square and minus b square, and this also resembles another formula if you see, that is 2m plus 3n whole square. So we can solve and write a square, a plus b whole square formula. This is C, this is a plus b whole square. So over here within a third bracket, a square, that is 2m square plus 2ab, a over here is 2m, into 3n plus b square, that is 3n square, minus next part. Again it is a plus b whole square formula. So a square, that is 3m plus 2ab, that is 3m and 2n plus b square. The whole thing within brackets. Now we are going to simply solve this. 2m whole square. So if we solve it, we get 4m square plus 2 into 2 4 into 3 12 m into n m n plus 3 into 3 9 n square. So this is solved. Again the next bracket, minus sign here, the next bracket, 3m whole square becomes 9m square plus again 2 into 3 6 into 2 12, so 12mn plus 3 2n whole square is plus 4n square. So this is done. Now we are going to solve the brackets. Now we are going to write 4m square plus 12mn plus 9n square minus 9m square plus, no, there will be minus because minus into plus is minus, 12mn, again minus into plus is minus 4n square. Okay, so the brackets we have removed. Now see, here we have got 12mn, here we have got minus 12mn. So we are going to cancel it out. We are left with 4m square here. And with this we have got minus 9m square. And again we have got minus 9 plus 9n square and minus 4n square. So plus 9n square minus 4n square. Going to solve it. 4m square minus 9m square is minus 5m square. And here we get plus 5n square. What we can do is we'll take 5 as common. So we can write n square minus m square. We'll just interchange the position of these two. In that case we will get n square minus m square, which is a square minus b square. See, a plus b into a minus b. That's why we've done this. So we can simply write it as a square minus b square formula, that is a plus b into a minus b. That's it. Moving on to the next question. Okay, now we have got this. Yeah, simply we are going to write it in this manner, that this is 25 square root is 5 a plus b and the whole thing square minus 4 a minus b and the whole thing within bracket, whole square. After this we can write it in this manner, that it is, we will simply multiply this and we are going to write this 5 into a is 5a and 5 into b is 5b square minus, again 4 into a is 4a minus 4 into b is 4b. Again we have got this a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So over here a is 5a plus 5b, both together is a. And with this we are going to Write the other thing, that is plus 4a minus 4b. Similarly here a, that is 5a plus 5b, both together, that is a, minus, over here we are going to write, for simplicity purpose what we can do is we will write this within brackets. Okay, so we are going to write 5a plus 5b. This is actually a plus b. B over here is 4a minus 4b. So a plus b, bracket close, and again a minus b. So a over here is within brackets 5a plus 5b into a minus b. So my b is 4a minus 4b, bracket close. Now we are going to solve it. 5a plus 5b plus 4a plus into minus 4b, next bracket 5a plus 5b, again over here there will be a minus sign because a plus b into a minus b, so over here it will be minus, so minus 4a, minus into minus is plus 4b. Now we are going to solve the like term, that is all the a's and the b's together. We get 5a plus 4a, that is 9a, and plus 5b minus 4b, that is plus b. Next 5a minus 4a is only a, and plus 5b and plus 4b is 9b. We are going to write plus 9b. So this is a actually, and this is 9b. That's it. Moving on to the next question. Is what we can do is square root of 9. We get 3. Along with it we are going to write this x plus 2 and the whole thing square, minus similarly the square root of 4, that is 2, 2x minus 1 whole thing square. Now we'll solve it. 3 into 3x is 9x, plus 3 into 2 is 6 whole square, minus, again solve this, next bracket, 2 into 2x is 4x, and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So the whole thing square. After this, see this we have got a square minus b square formula, so it's going to be a plus b. So over here within bracket a is 9x plus 6 plus b. B is 4x minus 2. A plus b into a minus b. So 9x plus 6 minus 4x minus 2. So this is a plus b into a minus b. Now we'll solve the brackets. We get 9x plus 6 plus 4x minus 2, plus into minus, minus. Moving on, 9x plus 6 minus 4x, again minus into minus, plus 2. Now we are going to solve it. 9x plus 4x, 13x, plus 6 minus 2, so it is plus 4. And here 9x minus 4x, get 5x, plus 6 and plus 2 is plus 8. Moving on, next one, x cube. Take x as a common, so here we are left with x square minus 25. Very simple. Now, see, x square minus 25, if we break it up, we can write it as a square minus b square, the square root of 25, that is 5. Now, simply x, break this up, we are going to write a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus. Moving on again. Here we are going to try to find out the common one. You see 63 and 7. The common one is 7 because 7 into 9 is 63. So we'll take this 7 out. So within bracket whatever we are left with, that is 9p square q square and minus 1. Now we are going to write it in this manner, that 9 square root of 9 is 3p q whole square minus 1 and 1 square is the same thing, so we can write it in this manner. Again a square minus b square, so it will be a plus b into a minus b. So we've got 7, so a, that is 3pq, plus b, that is 1, into a, that is 3pq, minus b, that is 1. That's it. Next, number 9. Again, try and find the common factors of 32 and 72. If you carefully observe, this is 8 into 432 and this is 8 into 972. So first we are going to take the common one out, that is 8 from here. Here we have got b in common, so we will take this b also out. And now within bracket we are going to write whatever we are left with. Over here we are left with 4a square minus here we are left with 8 into 9, 72, so 7b square. Again, here again we have got a formula. See, 4a square can be written as 2a whole square minus 3b square can be written as 3b whole square. So again we have got an a square minus b square formula. So we're going to put use this identity and write down a, that is 2a, plus b, that is 3b, into a minus b, that is 2a minus 3b. That's it. Moving on, next question 9. Over here, see, we have got a plus b cube, whole cube. So from here, first step is take this a plus b, 1a plus b out, and then whatever we are left with, we were going to write it within bracket, that is left with 9. Over here we are left with a plus b whole square, since we've already written the cube, and here we are left with 25, so we're going to write 25 and again a plus b. So a plus b, I have taken a plus b from here common and a plus b from here common, so that is why we will not write a plus b here, this ends over here. Now we are going to solve only this part, this will be only repeated, that is a plus b, and we are going to solve this. We can write it as 3a plus b and the whole thing square minus 5 whole square. Then we are going to solve this, so a plus b, and here we are going to write it simply, 3 into a is 3a, write it within a third bracket. So it is 3a plus 3b and 3a plus 3b whole square minus 5 whole square. Now a plus b. See this, we have got a square minus b square formula. So we are going to write a plus b, that is 3a plus 3b. This is a plus b, that is 5, into a minus b, that is 3a plus 3b together, which is a minus 5. You can write it whole in the second bracket itself. Not an issue at all. This way. Next, number 10. See this x square and observe this very carefully. We'll take one minus as common and see this y square 2y, if we write it within brackets, so we're going to write y square plus 2y plus 1. Why? Because minus into y square is minus y square, and then henceforth minus into plus is minus, again minus into plus is minus. So we have taken minus as common. If you carefully observe this, this is in the formula a plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Carefully observe this. This is also in the formula a square plus 2ab. A over here is y and b is 1. So plus 1 b square. So we are going to write it in this manner, that this is y plus 1 whole square and this is x whole square. So a square minus b square, once again a square minus b square. So it's going to be a plus b. B over here is y plus 1 and a, that is x, minus b. Solve it. X plus y plus 1 and here x minus y minus 1.